Okay, Señora Nish Garcia. So, okay, as you know, I've been working on my app right here. Um, and part of the work that I do is something called UX testing, which is having someone who hasn't seen the app to play with it so I can get feedback from it. Um, Basically, what I want you to do is just to play around with the app, trying to find things that you like, trying to find things that you dislike, and um, that kind of um, that kind of feedback. Now, so one thing that you have to know right away is that there's anything wrong that you can do right here. So because it's so basic that we're just starting, so the idea is that you find the problems and you tell me what you think. Also, I'd like to add that based on the fact that I know that you are a graphic designer, it would be really useful to get input from you for design and all different things. So, but first of all, tell me a little bit about you, who you are, what you do for life. Yeah, you're my wife, but yeah, tell me.
Okay, so I'm Anish. I'm a student at BYU. I'm majoring in graphic design, and I'm a wife. So yeah, that's what I do, and I work as a graphic designer too.
Yeah. Okay. How do you feel with apps? Or what kind of device you use?
So I have an iPhone.
Okay. And what kind of user are you? How do you feel? Do you use a lot of apps? You use some of them? You use what? Tell me about it.
I use the ones that are free. Usually games, but when I have spare time, I probably use them. But if I'm really busy, then I won't.
Okay. So would you say that you're like an average user or
Yeah,
heavy user?
below average, I would say. Yeah.
Okay.
So like less than usual.
How do you feel with technology?
I think average. I mean, I'm not a super geek with computers and things like that. But I get by if it's easy to use, like let's say an application to download it and things like that. I can do that, but like computers and stuff, other stuff, that might be hard now.
Okay. So I've tried to keep this as secret as I could. What do you think when you see the logo?
Well, so I see the logo and the name, Big Brains, and then the little quote here. Makes me think that yeah, this is a game for my brain or something, to make it kind of grow or help me with my brain, maybe like that.
Okay. So so I'm just gonna let you play with it to see what you think. Try to go if you can see the reddish thing around the boxes. Is the links, so you can just like go for it. Try to, I don't know, try to play as much as you can. Try to go over, scroll down and everything to see if you find things
So
that
do
I
I
might
just
not
press
notice.
start?
You can do whatever you want.
Right. I'll just start. Okay. Oh. Yes. No.
Oh, you're done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
so.
can you just like try to see, scroll down to see the other pages? This is a PDF file, so. I mean, not necessarily link on the things, but you know, just like look at the other pages here.
Okay.
Okay. So, anything that you might think?
So I like how it shows the pictures. I'm a very graphic person, so I like to see a picture and the little description at the beginning of what the app is, like what
Okay.
we're pretty kind of like giving a hint of what you're gonna do. That helps, and obviously the graphics helps a lot.
Okay.
I like that the quotes are short. I don't read a lot, so usually I won't like stay in the text as much as in the graphics. I'll probably look at the graphics more. And then, probably look at the picture first and then read what it says. So yeah.
What else did you notice, or what else did you not notice? That.
Well, I just noticed that you can buy tokens, and I saw that, which is good, because it kind of gives you help with the game or the trivia if you don't know. I mean, some of these people I know, and some of them, I don't, because I didn't grow up with knowing a lot of history of the United States. Let's say, presidents like Abraham Lincoln or that. I mean, I've heard of them, but I could never recall a quote or something that they said. Like in these examples, you see a lot of like quotes from there. But it still is pretty good, because even though I don't have a history of, or like, I don't have a background on that, I can still learn it, which is pretty good. So I like it, not be closed-minded, but it kind of actually helps you learn history, not just from the United States, but I see that you have El Che, he's from Argentina, and a lot of people know him, but a lot of other people don't.
Mm-hmm.
So that might be helpful, learn more history about it. Cool.
That's good. So is there anything, any feedback that you might want to add? I mean, anything that you might want to say just to make it better or something like that?
I really like the question you put here. Like once you click on the face, then are you sure? Because that gets you thinking,
Okay.
which makes it more exciting. So I like that. For sure, maybe just adding color in the graphics to make it more interactive for the viewer.
How likely are you to use an app like this to buy it or to just download it?
I would download it though. I like games like this, where you just, I don't like just like shopping food or or something like that, which, but actually something that makes you think. I actually have a couple apps that are kind of games like that, memory games and games that make you think. and stretches your brain, or at least it helps you, you know, spelling words, or like this one, I like it because it helps you learn history, not just from the United States, maybe from other parts of the world, or like famous people. It's pretty good. So I would download it, yes.
Okay. Perfect. So is there anything else that you might wanna add? I don't know.
No, I like it. The logo, I like the big name and the exclamation signs there, big brains, I like it. And maybe just adding color or something. More simple.
That's it. So I think we're fine. I'll keep working on it, and since you're my wife, you'll see if I get to develop the app. So hopefully it happens. You might be my designer in the future. So, but yeah. But thank you.
You're gonna have to pay me back.
Gracias, amor. Eso es todo.